Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make white garlic sauce for shawarma. Start by gathering plain yogurt, mayonnaise, several cloves of garlic, lemon juice, salt, and cold water. Mince or crush garlic very finely and measure your yogurt and mayo so proportions stay balanced. Keep your lemon juice fresh for brightness and use cold water to adjust thickness. Taste and tweak salt and lemon until it complements the meat perfectly. I recommend using full-fat yogurt to get a creamy, rich base that stands up to garlic. Combine yogurt with a modest amount of mayonnaise for silkiness without heavy greasiness. Always use fresh garlic cloves and crush them well to release oils and flavor. Fresh lemon juice brightens the sauce, and a pinch of salt brings everything into balance. Adjust water slowly until you reach the ideal pourable consistency. Crush your garlic with a pinch of salt on a cutting board to both break it down and soften its bite. Fold the crushed garlic into the yogurt and mayo gently, or pulse briefly in a blender for a smoother texture. Add lemon and adjust salt to taste, then thin with cold water 1 teaspoon at a time. Let the sauce chill at least 30 minutes so the flavors meld and the texture firms nicely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.